Hey everyone, I'm Golani, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best highlighters for creating expensive, polished looking skin. Every single time I pop on a highlighter, I do like a little butt wiggle because it is definitely hands down my favorite makeup category. They are so versatile. You can use them before your makeup. You don't even have to wear makeup and just pop one of these products on beforehand and your skin instantly looks better. You can mix them through with your foundations to change the finish of your foundations. And most importantly, you can use these products on top of your makeup to give your skin the most elegant, ethereal, glass skin-like highlight. If you'd like to see what highlighters I use to give my skin that elegant, expensive glow, then make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell, and enjoy the video. In no particular order, I'm starting with an industry favorite, the MAC Cosmetics Strobe Cream in the classic or original shade of Pink Light. This is a non-acnogenic, skin clarifying and radiance boosting cream. This product falls within MAC's skincare category, so it is predominantly used as a pre-makeup base to prep skin on both the face and the body. I, however, like to mix this with my base products, say your moisturizers and also foundations. This changes the finish of your foundation and also shears out the product. You can also use it as a post-makeup highlight, and it gives the skin the most beautiful, ethereal, iridescent glow that is really elegant and undetectable. This next illuminator I cannot fault because it is so versatile. The Kevyn Aucoin Glass Glow Face and Body Gloss is a formula that all skin types can use because it is a gel formulation. It is universally flattering on everyone, including deeper complexions, as this product is available in 6 shades. A rice grain amount is more than enough to highlight the high points of your face or to mix through your foundation and moisturizer to give the complexion a glassy glow. This next product was formulated to be applied all over the face and body to lift the complexion, instantly giving your skin a really nice, refined, youthful look. It's subtle, it's understated, but with that said, a little does go a long way. This is a super flattering, skin refining, versatile highlighter that everyone needs to try. This product truly needs no introduction. The formula, the packaging, the applicator. I think this is my favorite Charlotte Tilbury product. The Hollywood Flawless Filter blurs and smooths and illuminates the skin, giving the illusion of smoother, youthful, clearer looking skin. It's quite a interesting formula, quite an interesting product because you can use it however you want. You can use it on its own. You can mix it in with your foundation or your moisturizer. You can use it as a post-makeup highlighter for the high points of your face for that really glamorous bombshell highlighted look. I cannot make a video dedicated to glassy looking skin, expensive looking skin without featuring a Pat McGrath product because she is incredible and her makeup line is incredible, especially this highlighter and balm duo. This is the Skin Fetish 2-in-1 gel and balm, which is a dual-ended highlighter. It is absolutely stunning and creamy and super versatile and flattering on everyone, all skin types, all skin concerns. I don't know how she did this, but she has created this gel stick delivery system which is so creamy. It doesn't disturb your makeup. And the balm that you layer over top, oh my goodness, it adds the most beautiful, multi-dimensional, glossy, very expensive skin look. I have a drier skin type, so the balm just feels heavenly on my bone dry skin. However, if you do have an oilier skin type, you might want to use more of the gel formula or the highlighter side and sparingly use the balm end right on the highest point of your face. Clean beauty has come such a long way. This is the RMS Beauty Champagne Rose Luminizer. And my goodness, does this make your skin look so glossy without emphasizing any texture? I'm talking about fine lines, enlarged pores, or even scarring. I have quite a lot of scarring on my cheeks, but when I use this highly multi-dimensional glossy illuminator on the high points of my face, on areas where I predominantly had my breakouts, it just diffuses those imperfections. It kind of like reflects the light, so you don't really see any of those grooves or those indentations, the pitting and the scarring. It just creates this really beautiful smooth surface, and it's hard to believe that this is considered a clean mineral makeup product or makeup brand that just acts like a really beautiful professional makeup product that you would use on set for a photo shoot. It wears beautifully throughout the day, it photographs beautifully, and it, most importantly, blends seamlessly in with your foundations that you have underneath. Those are the highlighters that I cannot live without, and I absolutely love using them not just on myself but on my clients too, because like I said, they photograph like a dream and they wear like a dream. Now, if I've missed a product or if you have a recommendation for me, then please list it in the comment section down below. I would love to try even more highlighters, even more delicious, gorgeous formulas. And as always, I have listed all of the products that I have used, including my tools and my brushes, down below in the description box. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. You can find me at Golani. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to chatting to you guys in a brand new video next Thursday. Bye.